In this video, I'll introduce our first two algebraic laws of logic, idempotents and identities. These are the same laws we saw in set theory. If you recall, idempotence is when you can take a proposition and apply a binary operator to that proposition over and over and will never change the value of the original proposition. For instance, P is the logical equivalent, that's what these mean, the logical equivalent of P or P, which is the logical equivalent of P and P. And if you recall the definition of the disjunction and the conjunction, you should be able to figure out why this occurs. Now, the identity law states that if we take a proposition and we have a conjunction with true, a truth value, a true value, then it will always yield that original proposition. Likewise, if we have a disjunction with a proposition and false, it will always yield the original proposition. That's why we have P is the logical equivalent of P or false, which is the logical equivalent of P and true. And finally, we have true and false, the identities of true and false. So if you have the disjunction of true with any proposition, then you will always yield a true value. And if you have a conjunction with any proposition and false, it will always yield the false value.